Hazak, Baruch, good morning everyone. So there's two basic conditions for a person to make Zimun. In other words, a person has the chiyuv, the obligation to make Zimun, if there's two conditions. The first one is when there's three people sitting at the same table. But if they're sitting in two different tables, then they don't have the chiyuv. They could make Zimun, but they don't have to. One table means when they are touched. Like downstairs, we have few tables, but they're all attached, and there's one plastic tablecloth on the entire pot. So that's really considered one table. So that's the first condition. The second one is, in order to obligate a person to make Zimun, is when they started together or they end together the meal. But if they didn't start together and they didn't end the meal together, then there's no point to make Zimun because they were not planning really to do it together. So that's the two basic conditions. There's a very important thing to know that applies only with two people, meaning it's two people sitting at the same table and they also started or ended the meal together. And then there's a third person that wants to join, and then there's a different halakha here that says that if we speak those two people and tell them, hey, do you want to eat something? No. Do you want to have dessert? Okay, you know what? Dessert we can eat. In that case, we will call the third one, say, hey, come, say Musi, so we can make Zimun together, because start and to end, it's only for those two people. But again, if the third one wants to come and join, then if those two people still can eat something, then we want to call the third one to make Zimun. So this two condition that we mentioned applies with two people. Amen.